This is a 1923 Witte, belongs to W.L. Tatum in Dawsonville, Georgia. Brought to Randy Tucker's shop in Charlotte, North Carolina to be restored. Parts had to be made for this engine, the governor gears, and the weights were missing off of this engine. All that had to be remade and put back on the engine to put the engine running. The engine been completely gone through, repainted, and it's completely restored. This is a 15 horsepower Witte that pulled a 20-inch corn mill. It was bought new by Mr. Tatum's dad in 1923.